Namaste everyone, my name is Latika and I am studying in 7th grade B section. My school name is Ganges Valley School and today I am going to say about COVID-19, which is my Science SEA 2 project. So now let me say you about how did COVID-19 start. Experts say that COVID-19 was originated in bats. COVID-19 made the jump to humans at one of the Wuhan's open air wet markets. They are where customers buy fresh meat and fish, including animals that are killed on the spot. Still, the Wuhan market didn't sell bats at the time of the outbreak. Now, do you know what is coronavirus? Coronavirus disease COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Coronaviruses are a group of RNA viruses that cause diseases in mammals and birds. Old people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. In humans and birds, they cause respiratory tract infections that can range from mild to lethal. Now we all know that each sector in the world has been affected due to pandemic. Now let us know the things which has affected the world. Dealing with the COVID-19 unforeseen challenges caused by the COVID-19 pandemic has taken a significant toll on people all across the world. At the time of writing the special feature, there are over 2,700,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19 across the globe. According to official reports, the largest number of confirmed cases are in the United States, Italy, Spain and France. As many as 213 countries and territories have registered COVID-19 cases and the entire world is buzzing with uncertainty and questions. Many countries have declared restrictive measures such as lockdown, shelter in place or stay-at-home orders to contain the pandemic at a local level. The COVID-19 pandemic has led to a dramatic loss of human life worldwide and presents an unprecedented challenge to public health, food systems and the world of work. But rivers and the quality of air have become cleaner and pure almost in every country as industries are closed and pollution has reduced during the lockdown. The total cases in the world till now are about 83.5 million and total death toll are about 120.80 million. Even India has faced a lot of difficulties due to the pandemic. And coming to the first thing, the economic impact of the 2020 coronavirus pandemic in India has been largely disruptive. On 24th March 2020, the government of India under Prime Minister Narendra Modi ordered a nationwide lockdown for 21 days. With no work and no money, thousands of migrant workers were seen walking or bicycling hundreds of kilometers to go back to their native places. The total cases in India till now are about 10.3 million and total death toll are about 149,000. Common symptoms of this deadly virus are fever, dry cough, tiredness. Some serious symptoms of this COVID-19 are difficulty breathing or shortness of breathing, chest pain or pressure, loss of speech or movement. Now let us all promise each other to follow the following precautions. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or any alcohol-based sanitizer. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Wear a mask when physical distancing is not possible. Don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth frequently. Stay home if you feel unwell. So I hope all of you came to know about this deadly virus. And with this take, I would like to wind up this short documentary. Hope you guys liked it.